Holy yo, you already know what's going down. Welcome back to a brand new unboxing with your boy M. Today I don't know what we're unboxing, honestly. I have a bunch of packages in my closet, so I just picked the one at the top. But yo, swing that, bro. Let me see what we got. We got another package here. Yo, I can't talk today. Anyways, we got a new package. I don't know who's this from. Ooh, from Palace. Bet. Where's my knife? Wait, pass my knife, bro. Right behind you. You know, I need my unboxing package. Alright, let's get right into it. Moment of truth. I want to see what I ordered. I honestly don't remember. Holy fuck. Holy bear stickers. Holy man, I got a sticker. Come on, man. Alright, let's get back into it. So, it's a shirt from Palace. Yo, Palace has actually some sick TVs, honestly. Shout out to Palace, bro. Holy, so I have a Palace tee. Let's see. This is from their week 1 drop online. Yo, these tri-logos, they go hard. I have another one in my closet. But yo, I was always a fan of the triangle. No, it's not Illuminati confirmed or anything like that, but these tees actually go like 100% cotton, super snug fit. Like yo, it's like, hold up, let me try it on right now. Actually, see yo, it's already DS, bro, on DS, but yeah. You could say this is equivalent to the Supreme box logo if you really want it, or like a kit box hoodie or shirt. But yeah, Palace is actually a skateboard company that is based in the UK. They are pretty well known in the UK and they're starting to get famous here as well. But yo, this t-shirt is actually fire. Yo, I'm actually gonna wear this with the off-white, the freaking Tierra Tigers, bro. But yeah, Palace is well known. They have a lot of clothing on their online store, and they don't sell out. But like, yo, their merch is actually fire. Like, they have t-shirts, hoodie, jackets, jeans. Yo, I have a pair of jeans somewhere in my closet. Cozy. One of my boy has their sweater. He says he loves it. Shout out to Dante. Low key put me on Palace. Low key after that sweater he caught. I'm like, yo, I need some gear. But yeah, pretty well known collab with Reebok. They have Bearmans. Let's just say they have Bearmans collabs with, and this tee cost me about $48 US with shipping included and a bunch of stickers. Bro, I'm actually a fiend for stickers. If you know me, I love stickers. Like my MacBook, you ever see my MacBook? Stickers everywhere. I get roasted for it, but you know, I'm gonna do me at the end of the day. But yeah, let me actually throw this shirt on. Being said, yo, I suggest you guys look into Palace. Very affordable. You can say it's kind of like an upcoming streetwear company, like Supreme kind of, but not a Supreme level yet. But honestly, you guys smell a refreshed shirt after unboxing. Heaven sent. But yeah, that's all for this week's video. I'm dropping one video a week, but I hope you guys enjoy. I have much more coming. Like I said, I have a ton of packages that have to be unboxed. So I hope you guys stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button, you know, leave a like as well, and if you want, throw a comment down. Let me know what I should unbox next.